Does this converges to e as well?
The classic limit comes from the definition of the exponential function. Our expression is a slight rescaling of that limit, so we can reuse the same ideas.
If we can show that the bracketed term tends to 1, the whole expression will tend to exponential function evaluated at 1 gives the base of natural logarithms, e.
Here x is equal to 2 over n, which goes to 0 as n approaches to infinity. Keeping the first two terms gives a very accurate estimate.
The dominant term is 1. The remaining pieces vanish as n grows. Plugging this back into the exponential form. The limit works because the logarithmic term inside the exponent converges to 1. The exponential function evaluated at 1 gives the base of natural logarithms, e. This mirrors the standard definition of e, but with a scaled base and exponent that cancel each other out.